How do I start learning C or C++ on Windows? If you're getting started with C or C++ and you have a Windows machine, there are a couple great options for getting started. But if you are a total beginner and not so comfortable yet setting up a development environment, I would actually recommend getting started with Windows Subsystem for Linux, or WSL. The reason for that is that C and C++ are really well integrated into the Linux operating system. So when you're first getting started and trying to write in that language, there's not too much you really need to install or configure. Most distributions of Linux actually come with some version of a C or C++ compiler installed already. And if not, installing one is really simple, just a one-line command. So the steps for getting started with writing C or C++ code on WSL would be, first of all, to install WSL. You can do this through just a couple PowerShell commands you can copy off of a documentation page, and then you restart your computer. Next would be installing a Linux distribution through the Windows Store. I would recommend using Ubuntu because it's very stable and it's good for beginners. The next step is to install your compiler if you don't already have one. I would recommend starting with G++. It's a really popular compiler. The name comes from GNU Compiler Collection. The next step is to actually write your C or C++ code. You can do this in any text editor you prefer, like Notepad, Notepad++. I'm going to personally be using Visual Studio Code because it has a really nice integration with Windows Subsystem for Linux. Last, you need to compile and link your code on the command line with the compiler you installed. Finally, run it.